Lakshya Mittal and I am from IIT Guwahati, and today I'll be giving you the college review of IIT Ropar. So let's begin. IIT Ropar was established in 2019, so it is a newly constructed IIT and it's still under construction, like it has not been developed fully. IIT Ropar has been ranked 14th according to the NIRF rank 2020, and it has approximately 500 acre campus, and it is the third nearest IIT to my place. So how do you reach there? By air, it is approximately the airport is 60 kilometers away from IIT Ropar. The airport is in Chandigarh, and Chandigarh is 42 kilometers away from IIT Ropar. So if you want to travel by road, then you can surely go there from Chandigarh, which is the capital of Punjab. And if you want to travel by train, then you need to see whichever place you are living, but I guess Chandigarh is the most approachable place that you can go, and then take a cab or taxi from there, or you can take buses from there to reach IIT Ropar. Fees, it charges approximately 1,56,050, all inclusive of institute fees, mess fees and hostel fees. And now about the hostels, it offers you 2 boys hostel and 1 girls hostel. Initially the boys had to accommodate for 4 boys in a particular in one room, but nowadays you can have single or double sharing rooms. And the fresher boys are given, let me tell you, the fresher boys are given Chenab, West Wing, and the girls, first year girls, are given hostels in Ravi. So it includes a lot of facilities. It has a TV room, geysers, and individual cupboards for storage, study table, high speed internet is available in each of the rooms. So now you will feel hungry, so you would like to go to the hostel mess. The food is really good there. It is good as compared to the other IITs, so you would not feel away from your home when you are in this IIT. If in case the food is considered, the food is really nice and you can just have it when you're hungry. And also you can visit to many of the food courts that are within the campus, if in case you do not like to have the food of hostel mess. And the facilities available are the lecture halls at IIT Ropar are all well air conditioned, and it has a lot of capacity, like around 200 students can be seated at one time. And its library is all air conditioned, and it remains open for 24 hours. That is a really good thing, that it is open for 24 hours. Like if in case you feel like studying late at night, so you can surely visit to the library to take necessary books, and the students can access it anytime they want to. The library has a lot of books, like approximately 3 lakh books are there in the library, and it has a lot of clubs, as every IIT has, like photography club, coding club, robotics club, literary club, music club, and many more such clubs that you would like to go. And now coming on to the alumni, the institute does not have a strong alumni base because it's a newly constructed IIT, but over the time it will develop a very good alumni base, and I really hope that you people, all the people that who are listening to my video, you surely become an alumni, a very good alumni from this IIT, if in case you are going to the IIT, in this IIT Ropar. And now coming on to the placements, many companies like Amazon, Google, Texas Instruments, Larsen and Toubro, Mahindra and Mahindra, many more such companies like this come to this place, and the average package offered was 14 lakh per annum. And companies which provide internships are Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, Maruti Suzuki, and many more such companies. So it is a very good college and it gives you huge placements. The highest package which was offered was domestic package of 42 lakh in 2019. And talking more about the placements, the highest salary, as I've told you, was 42 lakh per annum by Microsoft, and uh, the lowest salary package offered is still not known, but 5 lakh per annum is the limit. More than 90% of the students were placed for the 2020 passing out branch, like the students who gave interview in this lockdown period, they 90% of them got passed. And many companies, Oyo, Flipkart, Future First, many companies like that visit to the campus. And before, in 2019, more than 85% of the students were placed, so it has a good placement ratio, and it is increasing year by year. So you need not worry about the placements if you come to this IIT. And about the infrastructure, it was established in 2009, so the infrastructure is very good than other IITs, other old IITs, because it is a newly constructed IIT. But it is still under construction. So when it is fully constructed, it will be amazing. Like the infrastructure would really be amazing. The overall infrastructure is really good, and the faculty, the professors are really educated. They have more than 10 years of experience, and they're really helpful. If in case you find any difficulty, you can surely visit to them and get your problem solved. They teach very nicely, and they're very dedicated towards their work, and the main goal is to make students of IT Ropar to be in the top list. And the placement cell is quite active, and many seminars and scheduled periodically. So you're not you will not surely not miss the placements if you come to this place. Like, you're not going to miss on the important updates. That was all about the faculty, infrastructure. And many people might be wondering that if this IIT has sports facilities or not. Of course it is having. It has a lot of sports facilities to offer you people. It has badminton courts, it has cricket grounds, athletic grounds, hockey grounds, table tennis lawns, and many more such facilities that you would love to be participating in. And it has a lot of inter-IIT fest as well, so you can go show your skills there. And about the fest at IIT Ropar, that after a rigorous rigorous studies of JEE, and now you are an IIT, so you feel like celebrating. And we have the freshers party, like every college has that. But about the fest in IIT Ropar, just like most other IITs, hosts 3 annual fest, namely ZGeast, which is the cultural fest of IIT Ropar, Advitya, which is the technical fest of IIT Ropar, and Arohan Sports. It's a sports fest of the IIT. So overall, it is a really good IIT. You would surely enjoy going to that place. And please do not miss a chance to be at this place. Do not consider that I'm not getting this branch, so I'll not be taking this IIT just because it's a new IIT. It's truly a very nice IIT, and you would not regret your decision to come to this place. So all the best to everyone. And that's all for my college review for IIT Ropar for now. Thank you, and bye-bye.